In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious no-bake peach cake. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound can of peaches, peach syrup, 2.5 cups of heavy cream, 1 pound of ladyfingers, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 packages of unflavored gelatin, and 1 cup of sugar. We are going to dip our ladyfingers into the peach syrup, and we're going to line the bottom of a parchment paper lined cake pan. We are going to remove 5 of our peaches and dice them finely. Once diced, we're going to set aside for later. Using a blender, we're going to blend our peaches until they become completely smooth. Add in half of the sugar and continue blending. Once combined, we're going to set aside for later. In a bowl, we're going to add the cream cheese and mash until it becomes softened. Once softened, we're going to set aside for later. In a bowl, we're going to add our heavy cream, and our remaining sugar and whip until it becomes nice and fluffy. Once fluffy, we're going to add in our cream cheese and continue whipping. Once combined, we're going to add in half of our peach puree and mix until completely combined. In a bowl, we're going to empty out 1 of our packets of unflavored gelatin. To this, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of water and mix until it's completely smooth. To our whipped cream, we're going to add in our diced peaches and mix until combined. After combined, we're going to add in our unflavored gelatin and continue mixing. We're going to pour this mixture in our cake pan over the ladyfingers. We're going to place this in the fridge for 1 hour to cool. We're going to empty out our second pack of unflavored gelatin into a bowl. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of water and mix until completely smooth. Once combined, we're going to add in some of our peach puree and mix until completely combined. Once our peach gelatin is combined, we're going to add this back into our peach puree and mix thoroughly. We're going to add our peach gelatin over our chilled peach cake. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight. Our no-bake peach cake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.